Minister of Health, the Honorable Christopher Tufton. He's in the news right now. Don't ask me my private business, because I'm not asking you about yours. Wow. So Alkaline, now Gage, me mean, give them some inspiration. And somehow, somebody practice and the inspiration that given to them from Gage down in your throat. And you know, Mr. Tufton, the tough one, the doctor, Ministry of Health. Yeah, man. It seems as if somebody was giving him a dung in the throat. So Gage someone can't do after all say a dirty song, because all politicians take it on and I give dung in the throat. And that's why I come here all the while and I telling them about dung in the throat and dung in the pum pum. I want to say all me talk about the pum pum. Now Mr. Tufton, them say the allegation is that Mr. Tufton have a girl that give him deep throat. And I tell you, somebody leak on the man. Somebody leak and, you know, send the detail out there where man get down in the throat. And it caused a big disgrace to him. When they ask questions surrounding those information, they say, don't ask me my personal business, because I'm not asking you yours. Let's talk about the matter at hand. But the truth is, that matter is also at hand. Because on the flip side, the people them say, the man take the money from the government, that's what the people them are saying, you know, and give this girl, and this girl give a good down in the throat. I know me always know, say, if a girl give you a good wine, you know, no matter how much married you married, you know, how much committed relationship you have, you know, trust me, it's gonna be difficult for you still be committed. And this is nothing but the truth. People don't like the truth, but it's the truth. Because the way how me see that the girl to down in the truth, me I tell you, say, this couldn't be her first experience. I can tell you this young lady do a whole bunch of practicing. I want never to see the video. Yeah, man, a whole bunch of practicing look like go down there, so. When Mr. Tufton I send it down in the throat. Anyway, laugh and joke now. Them say the man, the Honorable Mr. Tufton say then, boy, his account was hacked. But if your account hacked, Mr. Tufton, why those things, why is it those things on your phone? It kind of look one way if it's a man, I mean, a big politician, a Minister of Health, you know, somebody who understand, you know, many things. And then you have that on your phone to watch and see how the girl get deep throat. I heard that she's a one of the prolific, one of them top class lawyer in Jamaica. Nevertheless, that person was giving him down in the throat, and it was, well, I may tell you, me not lie. Me watch many movies where sex concerned. I will see some professional girls do something and they have to grow back up, and some of them even vomit. But I tell you, that man just push everything down the throat and it just come in like saying, boy, in her back, you pushing her. The girl never, nothing. She just hold it. And that me know she have a good technique. And that me know say, she have more than one profession. Yeah. She have more than one profession. So when the question asked to the minister, he tried to hide. He said, why are you cheating on your wife, Mr. Minister? He kind of put on this kind of angry face, and then he respond, don't ask me nothing about my private business, because I'm not asking about yours. But he forgot that he's a minister and he's a public figure. And once something like that get out there in the public, people, you're going to have to really ask questions about these things. So I don't know. If a man and a woman having sexual intercourse, I don't see the need for a video camera or a phone or whatever. I don't think that, unless you are planning to do a movie. You understand me? Because see, Angel right now, she decided to go skimpy clad. And a whole heap of people who claim that them are so quote unquote decent people. Them in the public, them walk decent, them act decent, and talk decent, and they try to be decent. But later on, the truth start to come out. And who they are start to remind them of who them really is. And right now, me see the man go down in her throat and the girl just relax. And you know, somebody said to me, say, boy, I hope my money should get for that thing. I don't know. All this is allegation. I can only talk about what I saw. Yeah, man. One other woman comment and say, boy, because he's a doctor. I was watching it with another young lady, and she said, because he's a doctor, he probably know how to get his wood that size. So apparently the woman is saying then this man have a big dick. But for the woman who is getting it down in her throat, it never look big at all. It look like she have that kind of, I don't know. You know? Yeah, but boy, I have to give her, you know, I have to give her, I have to give her some big up, because she deserve it. She go down in the truth. Good people are sorry too graphic, I can't show you it, but you know we come here and we try to show the people them what going on. Whenever time we get the information, we have to give it to the people them. Yeah, so things are going out there. Everybody will lose it. And people can't hide and lock up in their room and do what they want to do again. They have to show the world. This is how big my dick is. This is how I can fuck my girl. This is how my girl can suck the dick. Because if you do it in private, nobody get turned on again. Nobody get, nobody feel that kind of lovely feeling again. It just coming like a stage show. For everything we're going in the privacy of your home or wherever it happen now, the public need to know. And everybody become famous now. Because every damn idiot around the corner do something. I never know the Gage could give inspiration to a powerful man like that. I never know. I thought politicians and high profile people would have looked down on these artists and call them ghetto boy and underprivileged and stuff like that. But it become obvious when the doctor himself was pushing everything down in her throat, and that never enough. Him have to video it, because obvious he was the one videoing it. And the girl was doing her work perfectly good. Then somebody just happened to break in on him computer system or wherever and keep it and send it come so that it get on my phone and get on all your phone and it circulate around the world. I don't know. I'm not a judge here, but I'm just saying then, if you're your woman, I do or not do, how did it get on the phone that it come to me? I don't know. But when the question asks, the man say, leave my private affair alone, because I'm not asking you about your affair. When in fact, somebody put your affair out there. I don't know if somebody was there recording. I don't know. I stand to be corrected. I don't know if someone was there recording the activity and you want to watch it again and that person betray you. I don't know. Because a lot of people do cheat someone, force someone, and kind of some. And a lot of people have no value and no pride again. We just lose. So don't care how much education we have. Don't care how many suits we wear. Don't care how many words we have in our mouth. We just lose nowadays like careless kaba. Then you can't cause the careless people them are the one on the roadside then. You can't, and that's why I'm saying you see some double mouth people out there, Because Gage give you inspiration and it becomes so much that you not just want to do it privately. You want the world to see you, or you want to watch it over and over. So you record it somewhere and somehow somebody get the chance to know that it is there, and then they put it out to the world. And now you are embarrassed and you're going to seek to see if you can bring that person to justice. Whoa. May I tell you. Whoa, people. So, Gage, pick up yourself, my brethren. Pick up yourself. Down in your throat. We have to talk the thing then when they are. This is what the show all about, And that is show all about. Yeah, man, this show is all about whatever we come to us, we have to talk about it. We don't make up no story or nothing like that, but once it get to us, we have to comment on it. Next thing you have Rosie. Wow. You see all the man who are born and a cheat pan the woman and do all them something. If you stop it now because Bun come out of style. Bun come out of your style, brethren. All Rosie a Bun. And from Sandakan, I said from Sandakan to, what other one the name? From Sandakan to Expert. And that's a Rosie a juggle between the two men. So boy. Some things where people used to find as funny, no longer fun again. It become overused. Everybody in it now. So don't glory in it again. You understand, people? Yes. So, I tell you, man. I thought oral sex and video in a woman and put it out there was for the little kaba who can't read properly and who have no level and all of them things. I never know the professional people, when them a grind, They want to look on them growing again and they want to see how them did go along. So they have to video it and somehow some idiot hack them account and know say it is there and just take it and send it all over the world and then they reach on my phone and your phone and everybody's phone. And he is now seeking to make a prosecution for that culprit. An investigation is going on. Wow. Down in the throat of work, people are telling you, know. Terrian, big up yourself. Yeah, big up yourself, Terrian. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my friend. I walk one of you there. You can't believe this. I look for the song, you know, man, because the song, let me have a play a song today. Down in your throat. Wow, wow, wow. That is the thing I go on right now. Girl, if the politician who come every day and cuss local and poor people and people who are not use and lower class people then, and them are emulate the things them that poor people does, well, we don't know right now. I think it should be the other way around. Where the one claim to be low in rank and quality should try to imitate the one who is highly educated and went to all the university and become not just a PhD holder but a doctor, a general practitioner who understand anatomy, yes, how the body work and every part of the body and what to administer to the body and stuff like that. That is why the young lady is right when she said that man's a doctor and he know what to inject himself with to make him would get big. So that woman was looking outside of what we are seeing and she never seen nothing more than just say they would bigger than the average that she knew. And for the politician, you big up yourself, my brother. One woman say would big. Yeah. So, you know, so you go, but all the way when you check it out, we are loose people. And not because you wear the suit and you're in the office and jump up and a chat about a thing. At the end of the day, you want pum pum too. At the end of the day, you understand how blowjob feel too. A blowjob is not just for ghetto people. Blowjob is for all who understand sex and who want to be stimulated by the mouth. And apparently this man here Shabba. And him decide to listen to Shabba song and then get now just, you know, send no more fire to it and you find say that him say no sir when we grind tonight and we push it all the way down, you know. The only thing leave outside was the two virgin when I call them the balls. Yeah. Now it is alleged that is the PNP them hacking phone and you know Chika election is coming up. That's what we hear. How we have to say it. Them say election is coming up and it's the PNP them who have ill feeling toward the labor right hack the phone and try to bless up and try to blackmail him. But the question may be asking, bruv, how did it get on the phone if you want to grind up privacy? How did it get somewhere that somebody can hack and see? It look like more time when you do your notes them and prepare things them you want to watch yourself and push it down our throat. And somebody new and somebody just chill you and decide to hack it out and send it out there. Wow. Unlike the next husband we have a little nuke. And then decides he want a blowjob and the girl see the girl say no, we can't put him up and this is too small. Someone big up yourself still Mr. Politician because there was another businessman who have only a little nuke in his trousers like this. And he decides, say, boy, he wants somebody else to see what you have. So unfortunate. You don't have nothing you want to share. Eh? Oh boy, oh boy. The man have nothing in his trousers but he want to share. What an unfortunate man. Yeah, John, it sit down there waiting to be phoned by someone. And someone really find it with you. And now we get on my phone and your phone and all the people who share it around. So, I don't know. All me can advise and warn my people them say, you can't be too careful but just look out. And as Aisha say, better equal rights. So any video did it, I'll show it to how you do what you do. Because what really happened, you know, the man stand up and the girl down looking up in the camera. And I can only say to the way how the girl said looking in the camera is either the camera there behind the man or the man have the camera in their hand. That camera can be a watch. Listen, my people, I'm telling you, you have knowledge, but just not trust people. That camera can be a watch, it can be an eyeglass, it can be anything. Yeah, man, anything that's good enough to hold a chip. And all you have to press that button and make sure battery life is on it. And the quality is good. So when the girl decides she's doing thing, then she look up on him and he says something like, you love it? And say, yeah. I don't know, son. Yeah. So it's either him have the camera or camera is behind him. And the camera couldn't behind him neither. To how it look, the camera is very close to the girl's face. So I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, he could have deleted, but the truth is he never deleted. And some other speculation are going around say it's the wife who find it. Cause there was a statement follow one of the things said this woman tried to bash up family life or something like that. Yeah. But the Jamaican people them now, them start to say, right now them concerned about the amount of money spending negatively or spending wrongfully when people are suffer. And this man have nothing to do more than go video a woman and give him what go and prostitute give. According to the society, you know. People who suck dick and all them sitting there low life, low class, low community, they are prostitute and they're from the ghetto. But here is one top politician. Yeah, almost the right hand of the Prime Minister. And they tag the Prime Minister with that one too. I could imagine how they might dance down in their throat song from Gage in his mind. While the girl was enjoying everything because they told it, why, oh boy, I tell you people, don't blame me, don't cuss me. I'm only talking what I saw. Yeah. I know me. I wasn't there. I sit in my office and he comes straight to me and I say, oh, I need to talk about this in detail. But I was waiting to see somebody talk about it first. We vaguely talked about it the other day. Yes, but that never good enough. But now we decide to get in detail and tell you that. Because whenever I know who the man was, somebody said to me, this is a prominent politician from Jamaica. Spend money on a poor girl, send her to university. And she decides she's going to leave him. And he's blackmailing her. Later on, the story changed, I don't know. Maybe the first one was just somebody who trying to say something. So after the interview go down and they try to press him to find out why is he doing such disgraceful thing. And why is he record such, I mean sometimes when you can't remember, you know sometimes, hold on. You know sometimes you're having some beautiful moment you'd like to see it again, but you have to record it in your mind. Because you know the danger if you popular or aspiring to be popular. Get exposed in that way, you know the consequence, eh? Yeah. We know quite a few people career tear apart. People like Lexus. He never make a comeback. Because allegation is that he was doing something like that and Bounty Clyde was ripping him apart with it. Lisa Hyper wanted that one again. She said she nearly mad. So when you're trying, you see that's why I always say to people, you know, don't try to make yourself into a super person. Don't try to, I mean, if you love the thing, you love it. If you hate it, because if they did love you and they thought they love you or they defend it, it would be nothing because everybody do it. Not everybody, most people do it. But when you come in public speaking against a thing like Obeah, you know my man they say him uncle, I mix up everything. My man they say his uncle is a Obeah man in St. Thomas somewhere down there. And yes, his uncle will frig you up if you mess with him. And everybody disown him and try to avoid him. The man come publicly and tell you that he mixed with Obeah. Which in my views and my opinion, nothing is wrong with Obeah. But if a man same deal with Obeah, I not scan him or avoid him because I know say, I mix with Obeah. I'm not afraid to tell you say, Obeah is a religion. Right? Yes. So if a man decide to him not like my kind of argument and Obeah argument, well don't talk to me, don't listen to me. But I'm not going to say, oh, I'm born Obeah man, wickedness and this and that. No. Then later on, you see me rub up the aisle and thing and try one mad somebody know what I want, you know. I somebody mess with me and I give them 5 days for cool off or whatever. Then you say, them Baba, no, you have that cuss Obeah man and I will cuss Obeah. So how you mix it? No, you can't say that, you know. Say, Baba come by here and Baba tells you Obeah is a good religion. So if you hear, say, Baba, you know Obeah, you know now, Baba can't put me and I say, yes, I say it many times to the world. You get me? Yes. But when a man come up and say, oh, any girl, no girl can't suck my wood, man, you're a fool. And that is low class, got to business and this and that. Like one woman, I don't see her, you know, I don't see her lately. She gone, it look like she gone. John, pick up herself. She and Brenda, I don't see Brenda lately. Brenda was here with a whole bunch of things. And Brenda was just buffing off her mouth and talking a lot of things. But you know, some people, let me tell you them time, them like to talk a nice thing in public. They come to private, and this is what we're talking about, hypocrite of the highest level. And I hate it. Remember, you know, people, you can do what you want to, you know. Your life belongs to you. You can do anything you want to with your life. But don't hide and do what you do, and then you come in public making a bag of noise and talk as if, oh, this is disgusting and this is bad. You just deny, you just lying to yourself. You're just lying to yourself, and you don't make life harder for yourself. Nobody else but yourself, you make life harder for. Yeah. And that's what we are talking about. Because when politicians want to vote, they turn on poor people and ghetto people. And they call them low class and learn and this and that. Now the poor class and ghetto people, them know they have nothing to do more than make music, sing songs, and go through. And still yet you listen to the song and you're practicing what the song say. So why ridiculing them? That's my argument. Why ridiculing them then? If you love what them say and you know, so because everybody at Jamaica come from ghetto, you know. And everybody at Jamaica poor, you know. You remember that 400 million disappear. And if 400 million can go away from one account or from one country. And the country not cripple. You know, it's the money down there. Yeah. So yeah, that way I say people. The phone line is still open as usual. 075 075 30324. I know this is BSB radio station from London to the world. And we try our best to get to talk with some artists, you know. You know, some of them artists that get cocked, you know. They must say BSB, we can't talk to you right now, no disrespect, and we don't like it, but what we can do, can't force no man to come chat to we. Yeah, they're gonna come at time and they're gonna beg us. Like how they might beg we to play them song. Yeah. So the phone line open, people. Phone line open, you can call and we have a conversation. Big and serious. Paulette, big up yourself. Pauline, big up yourself. John, keep it real. Yeah. BSB in the house once again. Alright, so.
My grand pitney them put me remote you know man. But wait, oh me find it come here go lock off the TV and no relax by me sofa and listen to Baba Shokube and BSB radio station. Me not do nothing more and just log on and just listen to Baba Shokube. Yes man. Me, nobody call me on WhatsApp, me and ring me, cause me a focus.
Charlie, representing for BSB Radio in London, watching Baba Shokube, big up yourself, you know. Not stupidness. And loyalty we say, Baba Shokube, you are my real friend. Loyalty we say. London, you know my real friend. No boy can't change my mind against my real friend. Chukube, I know with that. No girl, no money can mash up me and my friend. Hey boy, you must see that. If me and my friend have an argument, front of me real friend, yes, we have to agree back. Me nah get bad man to Chukube, I make life and progress. Me nah pray that. You know the country boy representing for the realest BSB Radio in London. Baba Shokube. Clat again.
My grand pitney them put me remote you know man. But wait, oh me find it come here go lock off the TV and no relax by me sofa and listen to Baba Shokube and BSB radio station. Me not do nothing more and just log on and just listen to Baba Shokube. Yes man. Me, nobody
in our life and everybody have to accept that. Because Rose is a juggle between Sandakan. You don't know Rose? Sandakan and the other one. Where the other one name again? Expert. Yeah man. Big and serious. So everybody needs somebody. BSB. Wagwan.
Hello.
Bless up.
Yo, what some boy I deal with?
Yeah, what is the Prime Minister? Talk to me now.
Yes, the Prime Minister of Jamaica said at the PFP, them post the video.
Oh.
Because they want them, the jail people, lose them vote.
Yeah, so that's why I put it up there.
Yeah. But you said them ask him about the video and he must say, I need to live in private business alone.
Yeah, man, that's right. I saw it on
Right.
TV. I saw it on television where they have a small conversation with him and him say, no, leave my private business alone because I'm not asking you your business. So he tried to hide around the question and they make everybody laugh. But because it's a public setting, people try to hold the laugh. We can still laugh on everyone's face. Because everybody see the video and everybody laugh. Some are criticize. All your friends are criticizing because our comment go down.
Yes, I will come to go because I say my MP, right?
I'm an MP and my doctor, Minister of Health. I'm the Minister of Health in the portfolio, you know, in the government rule in government right now, you know.
Right. So what I'm saying, if you do that video over so much years ago, right?
Yeah.
How he must change him phone now and put it down and somebody going it and just see or how it get exposed. And that I want to
Yeah,
know. Or must he wife what must he do it?
Can be anyone. But why did he actually video it then? Why never just write it in his mind and have a picture in his mind? Why have a video
That's
it?
what I'm saying, so foolish. Why he shouldn't
Yeah.
even video it?
Or
Because
lock
he
it
knows
properly
that
in the cloud.
he
Or,
have a wife.
yes.
Yes, he have a wife and he don't want that to get out. And he was a MP, he don't want that to get out. So he
Right.
shouldn't video it none at all.
True. But again, you know, you see what we can say? Every man that do them thing, you know. Not every man. Most men that do them thing, you know. All prime minister probably do that. The only thing is that they
Of
don't
course,
catch him.
but nobody not get
Not get catch yet, so them can jump on rail and all who are make nice that cause a poor girl or cause whoever.
Them do it too.
Yeah, them a do it. And some of them go further, some go deeper, some take another
Yes.
level.
You know.
Yes, so I mean, the man kind of wrong still. Why me saying wrong is because he make people get
You
in
shouldn't
business.
video it.
Or if he video it, he should lock properly in the cloud. But somehow it get out to me and to we and to the world. And that is why I say, boy, I should know him I do, and if he knows he no good security for him thing, he shouldn't video it then.
Yeah, because probably in do it for the cloud.
Right.
Everybody have
Yes.
access and can see it. That's the only way
And
I look on.
People stop talking about the young lady now, and I just seem them focused upon her, you know.
Yes, I am because my big MP.
Yes.
You said
And when I heard
you
it
think
first,
you should have stepped down.
that he should not sit down. When I heard it first here, I said this man should consider job, kind job is on the line right now. Because when somebody tell me say he blackmail the girl, because the girl left him, I said this man is
Yeah, we
foolish.
didn't saying black because you were saying
Yes.
that you say blackmail
Yes,
the girl.
and I say if him so stupid, I have a lot more to lose than the girl, but later on I find out it's not
Right.
really him. And somebody probably get a hold of the video and decide to shove it out there.
Probably
But-
that's somebody must approach him for some money and he not
Or
get it,
something.
and then just put it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they just blackmail him.
Right, they just blackmail him.
Yeah, and trust me right now, that can cost him job. Cause that when
Of
them,
course.
them that kind of high
Nothing.
society people, you know, them call themselves high society people, but that get a life account to them.
In need to step down because
Yeah.
that's a disgrace to the parliament.
Yes. And the PNP go and use that upon them, you know.
Of course.
The PNP go and
Never
rub
mind.
that on their face. God.
Of
I can't
course.
imagine how you rub it upon them. Damian Crawford.
Like when you rub yourself
Yes.
this up.
I can't imagine how Damian Crawford or hang it, you know, because him always fine. Lord of mercy. Why, I tell you about
You
just
should have stepped down.
him face.
So really step
Yeah, but it
down.
look like you not even pay attention to that because people now call for him retire, for him resign. How come?
And that me I say and it they all over.
How come the people
You
not
must
call
step
for him
down.
resign? By the way, did the young lady who in the picture in question, did she actually give a statement? Anybody know if she give a statement or what she said about it or what?
No, I don't know. I don't
She
see
keep
anything.
quiet, poor thing.
She keep quiet.
All me know is that she have two professions without no joke. She have two professions. One profession is attorney, and the second profession is I never see this yet, believe it. I mean I exaggerate, but watch Whole Pack 6 movie. I mean say Whole Pack Deep Throat, but I one they are the greatest. Yeah, man. Me say Whole Pack Deep Throat, but a girl hang it good. And I hope a man
Yeah,
here say
tell
they
you.
want to meet her. I hope a man say they want to meet a girl because the girl really shining properly in the sense.
Yes, man.
I love when
You
a
should
man
know her
can
job.
lose. Me love when a man lose like that and can deal with you carefully good. Because that just bring the excitement in a old man like me. She deal with it good. She deal with it good, me not lie. I mean, rate her for that. A man I say, boy, I want her contact. Me say, Virgin, go get it, don't ask me, because me know why I passa. She really do. She have two good profession. One of them is write the letter, them and go in the courthouse, go represent herself. And the second one is she good as gold. So I tell you, big and serious, boy, I don't know, Mr. Tuffy. It's a toughie boy, it's a toughie, the expose a toughie. So you feel, hold on, you believe that somebody hack the picture alive at tell? You believe that they hack it?
We have two opinions. We have said either it must them find it on cloud or somebody find it, he might change him phone, because look how long that.
But
He
then they
might
find it on
change him
cloud.
phone, put it down and find the phone. I don't know where he might sell the phone and
Not change the
the
password or
memory
something.
still in there, right?
Yeah, something.
And something, there's something.
Why?
Something there white expert, I can't tell you.
And surprisingly, me not hear.
Expert.
Surprisingly,
So how the wife they feel. You know in husband and that and everything will go wrong.
maybe wife know about the man.
No, me I say how she feel, you know. She say, well, is that husband and so many people have that talk and the video.
But the wife
go
never do
around.
nothing. The wife never do nothing. How she feel?
No,
She,
me I said how she feel.
she can't feel no way. That she know in nothing. Nobody ever trouble her. Nobody she never in her picture in
No,
her
but
face.
remember I cheat him, you know.
Yeah, but only she and him have to deal with that now. She have to take up that with him.
Said? Yeah.
But then again, you know, boy, I
So
mean,
that
know.
mash up, go that mash up in relationship
Well, as far as
and
we
in
can,
job, you know, say.
yeah, as far as we're concerned, the man said, cause we don't think his wife and him left still. Him said to the journalists who were interviewing him, he said, listen man, don't ask me about my private affair, cause I'm not asking you about yours.
Yeah.
Cause somebody say, but Mr. So-and-so, you're cheating on your wife, don't you? What tell me about it? And he put on, him say, I'll deal with it, something like that. And I tell you, the man tell you, don't ask me about my private affair because me not ask you about yours. Howard, big up yourself, my brother. Eh. But the truth is, I don't think the man worry about his wife and so right now, cause it don't look like it's so serious for him and his wife left. Cause no doubt the wife probably knows that him and a girl they are got long time. And them people are high profile people, the money in the picture, you know. And some of them Jamaican women they know and really left cause the money, the life sweet, you know.
Yes, he probably he
So
will tell
him-
the wife.
yes.
One will live a crap for the
Remember the man is a politician. I remember say he's a politician and he have the word them line up. Him have the word them and he can just flip around word and get it straight and fix it up.
Yeah.
So I don't
And you
think
know,
they-
say he wife a one big woman, then okay, must have a lot of people. So you know, say I don't want young girl in there with so
Then again,
he
children
will
are
go around her. Yes, he will
Mhm.
go around her.
and we go on it.
Mm.
But me I say, I believe me I say straight up. I don't know how the people them not call for resignation. I think that should be one of the things they should ask it
That's why
for.
I said when I want to Jamaica people, they may pay anything. If I any girl in the last go, you that hear everybody.
Yeah, what a scandal them bring for the poor Alaska girl for you. That's a big
Yes,
scandal, you
I
know.
find this now. Them sit down and ask them nothing.
Well, Susie
What
said,
them
boy,
do
the
them
pass
now
catch
do?
up on him. Well, how the chat is, a politician in Jamaica was caught giving a girl deep throat. In other words, he pushing wood all the way down in her throat. That is what we are talking about today, Howard. Because we get the name now. We vaguely talk about it the other day, but now we got detail and we know who it is. And there was an interview with the politician and him say, oh, leave my life, my private affair alone. I'm not going to feel. So that is the chat, Howard, for now. Maybe till we change again. But one thing we can tell you, say, enough man say they want to meet the girl, you know, because the girl is expert. And I wonder how long this girl been doing that, because she really know her stuff, trust me, me not lie. And every time I think about that, me say she good. She good.
Yeah, she good, but
Yeah.
she struggle it herself with every man. I know not because they said the video. But then
Why say Howard he resign? Me never hear about it. How you say him should resign? Which one?
he resign now.
No, Howard say him resign. We don't know if a mistake or about something. He should resign. And why he should
Yeah, he should
resign is
resign.
because public disgrace. Because I can't to them, you know, nothing wrong with a man pushing with a woman mouth, you know. Nothing wrong with a girl take with her mouth, you know. And nothing wrong with a man put him mouth on a woman
No,
pum pum, you know.
Carl,
You understand me? I don't want nobody feel say me a
lick.
lick out on the action. Me a lick out on how them
No.
people. Oh, you should. Yeah, you should resign a while. If England would have resigned that. That could
He
even
have resigned long time.
pressure would have to get to resign, man, because that is. And they must say the taxpayer money right now. They must say the taxpayer money take and invest in the girl. Somehow them try to take the direction with it.
Mm.
Yeah, man, you should resign for real based on how Jamaican people should pressure
Yes.
that.
Jamaica no idiot.
Well, they don't keep up the constitution and follow the law.
No,
As how
they're
it should
not
follow,
follow
you know.
They are always out all the while.
But Bruce Golding did resign anyway when it comes to Dudos, so we have to give credit for it. Bruce Golding, when Dudos incident, Bruce Golding resigned. Because it was too much for him. So now this man again, him should resign. Because in
Yeah.
private life gone out there, and the second thing they must say you cheat by your wife. I know the wood where girl are sucking. I how the
And
man
it
can walk.
cheating, yeah.
No, I how the man would in everybody's face. How the man would everywhere everybody seen private would and they call private. Yeah man, if it was England it would have to ban. It'd have it gone.
The
gone.
same day not to resign.
Yeah man, not the same. The pressure that mount up to resignation. Yeah man. So you know but I think the people them should fight for resign or something or give some proper argument on that. All them say
Yeah.
boy he go and press hard to get to the bottom of this and bring culprit to justice. But I don't understand how he want to bring culprit to justice because I think it's him who recorded the event. Then after
I'm doing because
yes.
you're not going to sex your woman and have somebody
I
else
record you.
do it.
Unless you do a blue movie, unless you want to do a porn movie.
Right, and it's not a blue movie.
Right.
So, and him doing the record, and put down the phone, or either him change him phone, and delete it, and people see it and blackmail it.
Or maybe, let us say, maybe the girl is so sweet to him now, want to let the wife know, so he just put you out there. If he make scandal, if your wife don't get vexed and go away.
No, man, I think so not deep to make the
But I him record it, it looked to me like if I know him recorded the recording device is close in his direction. Because when the girl hold up her head.
depend upon the wife now.
Or something like that, we have to speculate a lot of things.
You know.
Because the truth is, the camera is close to the girl. And I'm on one different position. Because when she decides to lie down on her back now and him push everything down in her throat, give him the deep throat. You
Yeah.
find the camera that's straight on the girl again.
Yeah. So,
And him video it. Or somebody very, very close to a third person there videoing it.
I don't think a third person. there.
Now, me I tell you about the possibilities. Is either one of the person did a video it, or him I do the videoing. And we don't understand with some of them man, a woman a do something and a quiet. If I even one woman, where you record?
Video the man them in a bed and the man and them and them a video.
Yeah.
Look when all the Rasta man in the bar.
Yeah, him a mad, him look like him the junk. Him look like him the junk still, Look at a junk man that. Him look like him the junk, not true?
Me don't know.
So now them say the PNP, them say the People National Party put it out there to bring disgrace upon him.
Because they want the labor right they don't lose them vote.
Yeah. But it look like, boy, I tell you.
I think next month the election out there, I'm gonna lie.
Yeah, it's somewhere soon. It's soon enough.
Yeah, next month, they have.
Why? And that come up now.
And that come up now.
Ministry of Health. The doctor, the Ministry of Health, Dr. So and so. 7 years ago. What you say, 7 years ago the incident happened?
I think 7 years ago.
Wow.
They read the fine print.
The doctor enjoy life, man. Yeah, them should demand him to resign, man, because at the end of the day, the pressure come up on him. And that bad. Not saying the girl that give him a blood. I have to qualify my statement every time,
When him a blow job the girl in the video, is it right?
Me don't know if him blow job her. Me don't know if him blow job her, but me know that she blow job him. And me not put an allegation for the brother.
The man.
Mm.
They don't go God put that come for them. The man blow job her. She should have video him too.
Well, you might do, yes. That's why, that's why I still stand by what what's she name there? Aisha and I say equal rights and justice.
Yeah.
Straight swap.
Video,
Yes, straight swap. Yeah, man, it should have swap up, man. It should swap up. One person cannot do it and I get paid the victim. Make it want to be disgraceful then.
No, girl, now go.
Hello, Garcia.
Why do you? That?
Well, that I go on for real. And I'll be saying him should resign and they should pressure him to resign because, look good for the Labour Party.
Well, then lucky.
We're talking about a politician, Garcia, who it was a video circulating where he having the way down in one girl throat. Way down in there. Bad man, bad.
You should carry some of the money to pick up St. Mary Hospital.
No, man, you see where to go. You see where to go. Boy, Garcia say call licking. Garcia give it a different name. He said no blood job a licking. The point is that Garcia, I don't even see the story where this Minister of Health in Jamaica was having sexual intercourse with a young lady and somehow in video her sucking him dick. And he give her a deep throat, him go way down in her throat with it and he come in her throat and apparently she swallowed it, which that been going on, and Daddy would have said that was going on for yanks. But that is not what we're talking about, how the man video it and him know a position where in and so and so. He has some enemy as Susie say and it catch up on him. Yes, I hear one woman say, boy, this doctor man have a good size. That's what me hear the woman say. I'm say, baby girl, all you can see is that. In other words, me hear the man say, the girl good and like what the girl do what she do and he would have like meet her. Cause they say no girl can do, no girl good so. She control it, man. Trust me. So I tell you. So anything new for the news?
No, I don't listen to the news for morning.
Talk with us. Say what you say, man.
No, instead of them, the Jamaica people, them should have demanding to resign. That's all me
And you hardly hear people talk about it, so I wonder why. And Jamaican tell them lick out pan them something there, but not about lick out pan, I talk about the MP we call poor people and sufferer, illiterate, ignorant, and how him a dance a gate song and him a down in your throat, down in your throat. A gate song that.
But me and you got these little lobster, lamb.
Lasco. Remember, you know? Remember a song like that, them ban it right away, you know, they don't want it to play because them ban it. But now, him a do it, and no, nothing wrong with the man doing it and the woman doing it. But what is wrong when the video, and the video get on my phone now and get all over the world?
That message, they usually ban slap.
Because them say the PNP cause it, guys, yeah? Them say the PNP cause it.
Listen, them usually ban slap music from off the radio. It's on the dance hall they play, but everywhere now people are swear and I tell you who's underneath and what underneath.
And when them meet you and see you now and they are hearing that song, they say, oh, that old ghetto boy from over the ghetto there, I can't take him, his name is what again, Shabba Rankin or something like that, or Bunty Killer, oh, don't play that in my ears. And then plays Tushy, but still a gauge have him a dung in your throat, girl, dung in your throat. And I ask a question to you know, she a boss big laugh, you know. Joan Carter. Big up yourself. Yes.
I don't teach the young youth them nowadays.
Wow. I tell you, a madman, the doctor man, Minister of Health, having wood down in the girl throat.
Howard say resign.
He should resign, Howard say. If it was England, he would have to resign, he would have forced him to resign. Because they would have called that is misconduct or something like that. Because when the TV presenter asks him, why did you treat your wife so? He said, listen, don't get